Alright, in this video I'm going to be doing an introduction to evaluating logarithms. So remember that our definition of a log is that log base b of x equals y if and only if b, our little base here, to the power of y, the answer that we're looking for, is equal to this value right here, x. B to the y equals x. So any of these logarithms here that I'm going to go through, I could rewrite in our exponential form here to help us out to solve for this y, or answer to the logarithm. So let's look at the first one. If I have log base 3 of 27, I'm kind of asking myself the question, 3 to what power would give me 27? And whatever that power is going to be the answer for my log. So if I think about powers of 3, 3 times 3 times 3 would be 27. So 3 to the third power is 27. So my answer to this log would be 3. Let's try another one. ln of e to the power of 2. Now remember that ln is a log with a little base of e, so I'm asking myself the question, e to what power is equal to what's right here, which is e to the power of 2. Now if these have the same base right here, then our exponents must be the same, so my unknown value must be 2, so the value of this logarithm, is equal to 2. And we did also learn a property that stated that if I have the natural log of e, it's almost like those cancel out because these bases are going to be the same and we're just left with our exponent. Okay, a few more. Let's do log base 2 of 1/8. So 2 to what power would be 1/8? Well, 2 to the third power would be 8, but if I want that to be my denominator, then it'd have to be 2 to the negative third power. 2 cubed would be 8, but on the bottom would be 1/8. So the answer to this log would be -3. Okay. Next one. Oftentimes when I see something like this, remember that we can always write a square root as a exponent, and a square root would be an exponent of 1/2. So I'm asking myself here, I've got log of 10 to the 1/2, which remember is the common log, so there's a little base here of 10. So I'm saying 10 to what power will be 10 to the half power, and that of course again if the bases are the same, the exponent's going to be the same, so that would be 1/2 for that one. Last two. Log of 100. Again, remember I said if it's just the common log, this is a base of 10, so it's 10 to what power would be 100, and that would be 10 squared is 100. So this log would be equal to 2. Alright, last example. I have 2 times log of 10, so remember anytime I have something that looks like this with extra numbers, I can just evaluate my log and then multiply times 2. So let's find log of 10 first. This would be the common log with base 10, so 10 to what power is 10? That would have to be 10 to the first power. So anytime these match, our answer is just going to be 1. So I have 2 times 1, and 2 times 1 would be 2 as our final answer.